Hi friends, so, today we are going to make sweet corn snack, so, let's get started. Benefits of eating corn. One of the main nutritional benefits of sweet corn is its high fiber content. And as we know, dietary fiber is important for our health. It aids digestion, it can decrease the risk of heart disease, strokes, type 2 diabetes and bowel cancer. On top of that, fiber helps you stay fuller for longer. Sweet corn, the variety of corn typically available on the cob and frozen as loose kernels, offer plenty of B vitamins, fiber, iron, potassium, and zinc. These essential nutrients also help to support your baby's growth. Corn is rich in fiber and plant compounds that may aid digestive and eye health. It's high in starch, can spike blood sugar and may prevent weight loss when consumed in excess. The safety of genetically modified corn may also be a concern. Still, in moderation, corn can be part of a healthy diet. It is loved by adults and children alike because of its sweet flavor. Some of the well-researched and widespread health benefits of corn are: rich source of calories, reduces risk of hemorrhoids and colorectal cancer, rich source of vitamins, provides necessary minerals, antioxidant properties, protecting your heart, prevents anemia, lowers bad cholesterol, vitamin A content, controls diabetes and hypertension. Cosmetic benefits. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.